Welcome everyone to Balance by Megan. I'm Megan. Today's flow is a quick 5-minute kickstart to your morning routine. So this is a flow that you can do in under 5 minutes just to give a jump, just to give a kickstart to your morning. So grab your mat and let's create balance in your life. So to start this flow, we'll begin an extended child's pose. Big toes to touch, knees as wide as the yoga mat. Sink your hips back and crawl your hands forward. Head rest to the mat. And we take 5 deep cleansing breaths here. In through the nose. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Take a few more here. Your next inhale, pull yourself up to tabletop pose. Bring the knees underneath the hips, hands underneath your shoulders, and let's move through some cat-cows. Inhale, dropping the belly, shine the heart forward. As you exhale, arch the back. Inhale, drop the belly, cow pose. Exhale, chin tucks in towards chest, cat pose. You know what to do here. Make it your own. You can gently move the hips from side to side if that feels good in your body. And take one more wherever you're at. And then inhale, come back to your neutral spine. From here, we're going to come all the way to our belly. So make your way down to the belly, hands underneath shoulders, press the tops of the feet down. Inhale, lift up, cobra. Exhale, release. Inhale, push up and sink back to your child's pose. Now we're going to make this a flow, so pay attention. Inhale, come forward. Wrist underneath shoulders. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, release. Press back, child's pose. Inhale, move forward. Exhale, down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, release. Press back. Once more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, release. Press back. Child's pose. Inhale, come back through. And come to sit on your heels. Take a breath here in your hero's pose. Then we'll place the hands on either side of the hips. Inhale, reach the right arm up and over to the left side. Inhale, rotate the heart up. Exhale. Inhale, come back through to center. Exhale, left arm up and over. Inhale, rotate the heart up. Exhale here. Inhale. Exhale through to center. Let's flow. Inhale, right arm up, over. Exhale, center. Inhale, Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Twice more. Come through to your center. Bring the hands behind you. Inhale, lifting the heart. And exhale, come back through to your hero's pose. Our final pose, a little twist. Inhale, reach the arms up, up, up. Exhale, twist to your right. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Now hold for 2 breaths. Inhale. Exhale, come through to center. Inhale, reach up for the sky. Exhale, twist to your left. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, expand the belly. Exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale. And hold here for 2. Inhale, take a breath. Exhale, come back through to center. From here, we'll just find a quick cross-legged position. Hands down on the knees or palms up for receiving. Just take one final moment here, perhaps to set an intention for your day or your week ahead. And then we close by bringing the hands together, palms to palms in front of the hearts, and finding gratitude in making time to start our day off right. Draw the thumbs right up to the third eye, and we bow to that divine spark that resides within all of us. Namaste. If you loved this flow, I would love if you shared it with a friend, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel today. We'll see you next time.